You're the one who taught me not to feel I should run the other way as far as I can get. I haven't yet. There is beauty that you never see. It's just not in your vocabulary. There are things that I should say. My friends are placing bets. No, I haven't yet. Our love is like a shadow just around the bend. It's like a dry rain and a calm wind. There was a time it didn't last. There were 1,000 points we never passed. I've known you forever, and it's like we never met. We haven't yet. Our love is like a secret you cannot tell a friend. It's like a dry rain and a calm wind. Not enough rain for anything to grow, just enough to make a few tears, a pile of dry leaves that the wind won't blow away, just circling and circling for years. You know everything except for who I am. We are lost. You don't give a damn. You take the love I give you, but there's something you don't get. No, you haven't yet. You take the love I give you, but there's something I don't get. No, I haven't yet. Our love is like a shadow just around the bend, like a secret you cannot tell a friend, like a letter you never think to send. It's like a dry rain and a calm wind. Time's yours.